is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I will do this tutorial for this Slimline interactive card. So this is the die, and in the set you will get these 3 pieces, and this is the one that I showed in the previous video that you can slide both parts. So there are inside so you will have inside the messages or other you can do some interactive cards with this set. So this is for making the mini Slimline dies, mini Slimline cards. So for this one you need to have a base part, and this is the base part that I have cut this part out. So for this one I have cut this basic part. This is to make the basic part, and if you don't have this die set, this basic die set, then you need to cut the cardstock by yourself. And this is the measurements, which is this is about 3 3/3 inches by 6 3/16 inches. And then I cut these pieces out, and for this one you need to cut 2 times to make the left and right ones. So for this one you need to fold it like this, and here is folding this way, and this one the same, fold like this and this way, and also here you need to fold again. And for these 2 parts, since you need to slide it like this, so you need to stick this part here. So you have these two score lines where you can know where to stick it. Since these 2 score lines are the same, you need to make sure this will fit this part. So it's like this. So in this way you will not make the, so in this way is the correct way to stick it. So it's like this. And now that's to the same to the other side. So make sure the score line will be the same as this line. And see, it will like this, and you can slide it like this. And then you need to fold these 2 lines and stick them to the base of this card, base of the card. And if you want to have some messages here, then you can stamp them here, or make other interactive cards, or use some just stamp some images here. Then it's time to do it. So you need to stamp it first, and then stick this part to here. and then there this part here. So make sure you don't use glue here. So when you open this card is like this, and you just need to put some alpha or stick some or stamp some images here to make this card more interesting. So this is how this one works out, and hope you find this tutorial helpful. And if you have any questions, please leave me comment. I will answer you as soon as possible. And so thank you for watching the video today, and have a nice day. Bye bye.